Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel TT's Footprints. Today I bring you a easy 2-minute dessert, mini watermelon cake. This recipe was created on the spur of the moment when my sister and her family visited me. If you are new to my channel and this is your first visit, hello and welcome. I do make such simple and interesting recipes every week. Do join me in my journey of learning together. This recipe is so simple and easy to make, and you can use it even for a party as a finger food recipe. Use the central portion of the watermelon. Use any round cutter to get the cylindrical shape for the watermelon. Then cut it into desired sizes and remove the seeds if required. Whip some cream and spread it on the cut watermelon slices. I have used whipping cream for this, but you can also use coconut cream if available. Once all the watermelon slices are topped with the whipped cream, use any fruits available for decorations. If required, you can make this in advance and place it in the fridge and serve it when the guests are ready to have it. Use a small cutter and make finger food size mini cakes which can be used for any party. This is a no egg, no flour, no bake mini fruit cake which is totally healthy and nutritious. This dessert will be a treat for any party and will be enjoyed by young and old alike as it is both healthy and nutritious. Do try this easy 2-minute watermelon cake and let me know what you think about this. If you enjoy watching my videos and find them helpful, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for my latest updates. Also, don't forget to share them with your family and friends. Thank you for watching and meet you soon in my next one.